This is a What's in the Box video for Spirit Island Branch and Claw. This is an expansion for Spirit Island. The first expansion, he's working on a second, bigger box expansion. This is a fairly small box. So let's see what's inside. We have the additional instructions. Spirit Island is a, a very complex cooperative game. Here is new tokens. Some more new tokens. New produce or explore and build. Now we have the different spirits. So this is Shark Fangs behind the leaves. There's the other side, moderate complexity spirit. We have Keeper of the Forbidden Wilds. Another moderate complexity spirit. We have a few new scenarios. Looks like a new Adversary and events board with the same problem. I guess it's the same problem about the first one where it doesn't want to fold out very easily, but some storage bags for everything. New Healthy Island and a bunch of new spells, I guess, or power cards. I guess they're called major and minor power cards. And it looks like some event cards of some sort. So, and more major power cards. So there you have it. That is what's in the box for Spirit Island Branch and Claw. If you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe.